Hey, happy Monday, everybody. I wanted to just do a quick video for you so you could just make sure you're familiar with things on our platform here in Canvas. So when you come into our classroom for our Fundamentals of Project Management, this is what you'll see. And I've put for you some introduction information here in the post and what to do first, syllabus information, etc. So that's pretty helpful. The other place I wanted to call your attention to is obviously your syllabus and course summary information. So this is very helpful as well because I recommend that you download the final syllabus for our semester just by clicking here. Save that, print it out, use that as your blueprint as we go through our semester together. And then you'll also see a course summary of all the information, all the things we'll be doing throughout the whole semester here in this syllabus tab. You'll have an announcements tab that looks like this, and we've just sent a couple announcements out so far. And in these announcements, you are able to click on it, see the details, and then you'll see you have an option to reply to it, give a thumbs up, etc. And some of you have already done that, so that's really great. So look for that as well. I'll be doing at least one announcement a week, if not more, depending on some of the interaction and questions that we get. The module section is the next section that you'll want to really be familiar with. And so this is very important because it lets you know in a chronological way everything that's expected for you. And so most of you have already done this post here to let me know you have access to the course and did a quick little introduction. That's great. Feel free to read about your classmates and interact there. It's a great place to do that. And then Module 1 takes us into everything that is due this week. So all modules are going to have some type of informative section. And so Read Me First, Module 1 tells you what you need to do. Listen to the audio, take a look at the PDF, take the quiz, and then a reminder, everything is due Saturday at midnight. And so you have the option there, as well as you can just click the Next tab. The next tab will take you through each of the assignments. You can click on this and listen to the audio. You can click on this, take a look through the PDF. Click the next module if you're ready for the quiz. Go ahead and take that, etc. So college project PDF, and then your first discussion here. And so the discussion board is open. We've already have some folks that have posted here, as you can see, which is great. So your module section is really, really important to you. And we've got the modules posted and available all the way through the end of the semester. So should you have to be on travels, have some personal time, etc., that would change things up with your class schedule, you are welcome to work ahead. Please be mindful that things are sequential, and therefore you may have some prerequisites. So be sure to do things in that sequential order. So I just wanted to share a little bit of that with you. This is Beth Willett, your instructor, professor, facilitator for this semester. I hope that was helpful. Also, as a reminder, your course stream and your calendar. So your to-dos will be posted over here as well with some due dates. So that will be helpful for you to just keep up with everything that needs to be done. Look forward to working with you this semester, and welcome to Monday.